Here comes Jim. Wow, I forgot how much of a workout that is going upstream to this. So next, to get out of here, you kind of go right there and kind of hit that little rapids and float on out. I think we actually made it across over to there. You can kayak across this. It's really freaking hard, and you gotta paddle really fast. I don't know if I have the strength today to do that. Plus, I'd have to put my life jacket on. I should probably be wearing it right now. Hello, fisherman. Here we go, Oregon City Falls. Kayaked from Meldrum Bar. This place is amazing. I mean, it's kind of gross, but amazing at the same time. A little bit of both. I kind of want to get out. Maybe I will. All right, I'm putting this away.